in the land registered under the Sunni and Shia Waqf boards. Shia Waqf board chairman has welcomed this decision, calls out appeasement bid by the opposition. So he is hitting out at the opposition, saying this is nothing but appeasement on part of the opposition, and has welcomed and appreciated the decision of the Nitish government.
देखिए, सबसे बड़ी बात है कि वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी पे अब माननीय मंत्री जी ने अगर बयान दिया है कि वो मदरसा बनेगा तो अच्छी बात है। हम मदरसे के साथ साथ बिहार के सुन्नी शिया वक्फ बोर्ड ने करीब दर्जनों ऐसी ज़मीनें दी हैं जिसपे माइनॉरिटी स्कूल बन रहा है, छात्रावास स्कूल बन रहा है। तो वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी का इस्तेमाल तो समाज के कल्याण के लिए होता ही है और समाज के कल्याण के लिए होना चाहिए। जो लोग अगर अपीजमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, अपने तारीख के इतिहास के पन्ने को पलट कर देख लें कि उनके रिजीम में क्या हुआ था और अब क्या हो रहा। नीतीश कुमार जी हमेशा अक़लियतों के फलाह बहबूद के लिए, उनके डेवलपमेंट के लिए हमेशा कोशा रहते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, सोचते रहते हैं, जिसका परिणाम आपके सामने।
Let me go across to my colleague Saurav joining us on the broadcast with more details. Saurav, the opposition says this is nothing but a bid to polarize, and Nitish Kumar, of course, hitting out, Nitish Kumar's party hitting out at them, and not just political reactions. Now, the chairman of the Shia Waqf board is also welcoming the decision.
Yes, the Waqf board, in fact, we heard the bite, and the chairman of the Shia Waqf board was, applauding the step that was taken by the state government, and he was thanking the chief minister. In fact, both the property of Shia and Sunni Waqf board, they are going to be utilized for the welfare of minorities, is what being promised by the Minority Affairs Minister Zama Khan. He said that Nitish Kumar is a progressive leader, and he has always been working for the welfare of the minorities in the state, and keeping that in view, many not only just madrasas, in fact 21 madrasas will be constructed across Bihar in several districts, and moreover many other buildings, including marketplaces, libraries, and other educational libraries and other things will be created on Shia and Sunni Waqf board properties. After the announcement of this proposal that was kept by the Minority Affairs Minister Zama Khan, the opposition had started criticizing the NDA government in Bihar, saying that it is the lollipop that is which is being given to the minorities of the state, because the state government, despite being Nitish Kumar being in power for last 20 years, and in fact he has been the chief minister of the state for 9 terms, right. He has not done quite enough for the welfare, and now for the compensation of the minorities after the Waqf bill that is proposed in the parliament, they are trying to compensate. Thank you for getting us the
details. We'll keep coming back to you for more inputs. For the moment, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue.